Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse. In the kitchen today, I've just made some celery juice, but I want to give you some tips and tricks on making juicing celery so much easier. First of all, I've got the AUTO10 Plus cold press juicer, but it doesn't matter whether you've got the Revo or the C8000, any of the Kuvings cold press juicer range. These tips and tricks will help make your celery juicing a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable. I've been juicing celery since the celery juice book came out in 2019. I drink it every day, and I can guarantee that these tips will make juicing celery so much easier for you. My first tip, the celery needs to be fresh. You want it to snap, right? If it doesn't snap, if it's like this, and it's floppy, look at it. It's floppy, it's too old, it won't press through the juicer very well. It'll just get stuck and clogged up. So you don't want old, floppy celery going through your juicer. Make sure it's nice and fresh. Have a look here also. Sometimes the celery gets decayed, it gets a little brown, it loses all of its inside, and when you feel it, look, it's all squashy and stuff oozes out of it. Make sure your celery is fresh when you go to juice it. Okay, another tip for you guys. You don't want to juice whole stalks of celery in the juicer unless you've got the specialty juicer, the Revo 830 specialty juicer, which is designed to take single stalks one by one. Then you can use whole stalks. But in the auto machines and in the C8000s, you need to cut your celery up into smaller pieces because this string, look at it. See the string? See the string, right? That runs down the celery. Those stringy bits, right? You can see them all there. Okay, they'll wrap around the inside of the press, giving you more chance of the juicer getting clogged up. And we don't want that. We want it to just run through and juice real easy. So there's a couple of tips there. Another tip here, look, with the celery. Come and have a look here. You need to wash it. Look how dirty it is, right? See, look, dirty. There's often bugs, there's often worms. Pop it into a sink, pull all your stalks off, give them a good clean. You can juice the leaves. Yes, you can if you want to. If you've got the tolerance for it, it makes the juice, the celery juice, really bitter and you might not like the taste of it. So I take them off. I avoid juicing it. It's a much more pleasant experience. I also find that the leaves can get really dirty and the chemicals and the sprays and the antibacterials and fungals that they use on the celery, it's hard to wash off of the leaves. So if we don't juice them, we're getting the benefit there. Have a look at this. On the end of the celery, it's being cut. When it's being cut from growing, that's already starting to decay. So I don't want that going into my juicer. I'll make sure I cut that end off. Have a look at the other end. The other end, they've also been cut. Sometimes they cut it and it's already decaying. So I want to make sure I've got a fresh ends on my celery when I'm juicing. Like I said before, you're going to take them, give them a wash, give them a clean, and then they're ready to go. Now, what about the juicer itself? So when you're juicing celery, you can see I've juiced a whole bunch here, got a lot of juice. I like to use the pulp strainer. Okay, it's an optional accessory that you can get with the juicers. That just catches any last little bit. I mean, the juice is really fine. There's not a lot of pulp. It's all here, right? But that last little bit extra, when we're following the healing protocol of medical medium, we want to remove all the pulp from the juicer. So that's a good tip there to get that. Have a look on the auto juicers here. The auto juicers here have a quick release, and I can pull out pulp. If the celery was to get stuck, then I can pull it out here and release it. I can even use my toothbrush and I can get right in there and release the stuck pulp, close it back up, put it on, and keep juicing. So that real handy mechanism there that's been invented to put on the AUTO10 juices in case the celery does get stuck. Now, it won't get stuck often. I juice it every day. If the celery is really fresh and firm, and if you cut it up into the small pieces and you fill up the hopper, it'll flow through really easy for you. I've juiced 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches at a time, run heaps of celery through, and it just continues to flow. What about storing the celery if you're not drinking it straight away? Let's have a look at that, shall we? Or if we're not juicing it straight away. Here's another little tip. Get yourself a container, right? And with your celery, once you've washed it and cleaned it and prepped it, you can do this ahead of time. So you are washing and prepping all your celery so that all you have to do is get up in the morning and run it through the juicer. You can pop it into a container, get some nice filtered water, and make sure it's covered. Now, I haven't washed that celery yet, but I'm just showing you. Pop some filtered water on there, put it in your container, pop that in the fridge, and it'll stay fresh even for a couple of days. You don't have to juice it straight away the next day. It's a great way of prepping your celery ahead of time. Also, you want some bottles. Get some nice bottles. Like I've got a litre bottle here, and I can store my celery. It's got a silicone seal that sits on that one. So let me fill up. Wow, this is all from one bunch of celery. Got a litre of juice there. Now with this foam, I want to make sure that I fill the celery, the bottle, to the top. It'll keep the air out and make sure it stays fresh. There we go. Silicone seal, glass bottles, store your juice in glass, and we can keep that for a day in the fridge and it'll still be beautiful to drink. So ahead of time, if you're juicing your celery in the morning, but you don't have the time in the morning to get up and do the prep and make the juice, you could make it the night before, pop it into a bottle, put it in the fridge, and it's ready to go the next day as soon as you get up. I highly recommend you check out celery juicing by Medical Medium and what the benefits are of juicing it every day. I know for myself and family, we have been doing it every day since 2019. So what's that, 5-6 years now, and it is a real game changer. Hydration, digestive system, helps you go, helps flush out the system. It's a really beneficial juice to be drinking on a regular basis. Check it out. We sell the books on the Kuvings website, kuvings.com.au. Happy juicing.
Kuvings.